Struggling to stay hard during intimacy? Or not getting fully erect like you used to? You're not alone, and the fix might be simpler than you think. In this video, I'll guide you through a 5-minute groin massage routine that can dramatically improve blood flow, nerve sensitivity, and erection quality, right from the comfort of your home. Why this works? This technique isn't just relaxing. It's based on nervous system stimulation, circulatory enhancement, and muscle release. Think of it as maintenance for your manhood. Do it consistently, and you'll likely notice better firmness, stamina, and sensation. What causes hardness issues? Poor blood flow to the penis, tight pelvic or groin muscles, stressed or underactive nerves, lack of movement or sitting too long. This massage targets all of those issues by improving circulation and nerve activation in the pelvic region. 5-minute groin massage routine. Step 1. Groin warm-up. Sit or lie on your back. Place your fingers along the crease between your thigh and pelvis. Use gentle circular pressure to loosen the tissue. Alternate left and right sides about 30 seconds each. Step 2. Hip flexor release. Press about 1 to 2 inches inward from the hip bone. Use slow, deep pressure with fingertips. Loosens the tight muscles that compress blood vessels leading to the genitals. Step 3. Inner thigh sweep. Use your whole palm to stroke from the inner thigh up toward the groin. Moderate pressure helps push blood and lymph toward the base of the penis. Step 4. Perineum circle. Find the perineum, the area between scrotum and anus. Use 1 to 2 fingers to apply light circular pressure. Stimulates the pudendal nerve, key for erection strength. Step 5. Deep breathing plus belly tap. Place both hands below your navel. Take slow, deep breaths. Inhale 4 seconds, exhale 6. Tap gently with fingertips while breathing. This relaxes the nervous system. How often to do it and results to expect? Do this daily, ideally before bed or after a warm shower. Don't rush it. The key is relaxation plus consistent pressure. Results vary, but many men feel more blood flow, stronger morning wood, or firmer erections within 1 to 2 weeks. Combine with hydration, light movement, and stress management for best results. Erection strength isn't just about hormones, it's about blood flow, nerve function, and body awareness. This 5-minute massage works because it targets the system directly. No pills, no side effects. Give it a try for a week and let your body show you the results. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out the next video. ED massage you've never heard of but should try tonight. It goes even deeper.